Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix this DNS probe finished domain not reachable error. So this error usually happens if you have just purchased a new website with a complete new domain, or you have migrated your website and changed name servers, or for any other reason you have made some name server changes and your website starts displaying this error, or it is still pointing to the old server. So you can follow the steps I'm going to show you and it will resolve your issue. So the first thing we are going to do is check if our domain is pointing to the correct IP and has correct name servers. For that you have to go to my website smarthelpguides.com, go to this DNS check tool, and here you have to type your domain name. After typing your domain name, select NS, which stands for name servers, then click on find. This tool will automatically check with multiple DNS resolvers across the globe and show you the current status of your name servers. Right now you can see these are the default name servers of Namecheap. So if my hosting is Namecheap, then it is correct. If you're using some other hosting provider like Hostinger, GoDaddy, Bluehost or something else, then you have to check what are their default name servers and if you're using the correct one. Just to make your work easy, I have created this list of default name servers of the popular hosting providers. So you can verify that if your name servers are correct. This is the most important thing. And then you can go and select a record here. This is your IPv4 address of your server, and then check if it is pointing to the correct server IP. You can find the IPv4 address somewhere in your hosting control panel or in some email provided by your hosting company. Now, in case the name server is not reflecting correctly or the IPv4 address is not reflecting correctly, first you have to go back to your domain provider and make sure you change it correctly. If you have already made the changes and still it's not getting reflected, then we will first purge the DNS cache and then we will purge it on our PC. So you have to type your domain name here and then select a record first, then click on purge cache. Okay, so it has been sent and it will be done within few seconds. Now we have to purge another record. I will select NS, click on again purge cache, and now let's go to Google public DNS and do the same thing. In record first select A, then click on flush cache. This can take few seconds before you see this success message. Now type NS here and then flush the name server records. Click on flush cache again and it will be done within few seconds. After flushing the cache, I would suggest you to go back to my tool here and then again look up the records and see if the changes are reflected correctly now. If you are still seeing this error, now we will start clearing cache on our local system. So for that, if you are using Windows, you can type window R and here type cmd, then click on OK. On command prompt here, type ipconfig/flush DNS. You can find this command from the description also and type it exactly without any extra space, quotes or anything. After typing this, press enter and you will see this message: successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, and that's it. Now you can simply exit or close this. Now if you are using Chrome, you can open a new tab, and before performing this command, I would suggest you to close all the other tabs, windows, because we will have to completely restart Chrome. So please close that and then in a new tab, type this command here. You can just copy and paste it. It will be in the description. And when you press it and enter, you will see this option in the DNS tab here on the left side bar. Then you can type your domain name here and see if it is pointing to the correct IP. Type your domain name and click on lookup and you can see this is the IP. When you go to my tool here and select a record, it should show the same IP which is shown here, and in Chrome also should be same. Right now, because I do not have any issue, so it is showing the correct IP, but in your case it should be different. If it is same, then there is no issue, your website should start working. If it is different, now we can clear our host cache here. Just click here and this will clear the Chrome's local cache. Now you can also go to sockets here and you can flush socket pools here, but make sure that you see this message that if you have any other work currently going on in Chrome, it may get interrupted. So before doing that, please make sure you close all other work and then click on flush socket pools here. After that, you can close the Chrome and restart it. If possible, you can completely restart your computer, and clearing DNS cache will not have any effect on any other thing other than DNS, like your password, browsing history or anything like that. All your information saved will stay there. Your bookmark, saved password, it will not affect that. Only the DNS local cache will get cleared and Chrome will reload it. After restarting your computer, your website should start working again and you will not see this error. Another trick is, I would suggest you to go to the Google page speed and type your domain name here and click on analyze. It will show you the screenshot. If Google page speed is able to reach your website and show you a clear screenshot of your current website as it should be, then it means the issue is only with your local PC and not with the name server or IP address. Another thing you can try is try it from a different device. Like if you are using your laptop and seeing this error, then you can try your mobile and see if you still see that error or not. In most cases, just waiting for 20-30 minutes and clearing the cache will resolve the issue. If the issue is still not resolved, you can reach out to your hosting provider and ask their support for help. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. I will try to help you out.